night, everyone. Welcome to G's Kitchen. Tonight I'm going to make codfish hush puppies, and I have all my ingredients here. I have cornmeal, flour, milk, egg, peppers, onion, tomato, cayenne pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. So I'm going to start by adding my milk and my egg. Now I already beat the egg, so I'm just going to add it to the milk and just mix it in. And I'm going to add my cornmeal and flour. And I'm using self-rising flour. I'm just gonna go ahead and mix that in. Okay, let's just add the other ingredients. And add the fish. And some cayenne pepper, the garlic powder, and some onion powder. And we're going to mix this in. Going to add a little crushed pepper to it, and some black pepper. Just mix that in. Okay, so I'm going to use a tablespoon and just put them in the oil so they can fry. And I preheated it. I'm gonna put a few. You can use a spoon to do it. And then you're just gonna cook it on one side, and then you're gonna turn it and cook it on the other side. So I went ahead and turned it on the other side. So it's going to take about maybe 3-4 minutes, and then it will be done. I just want to let you guys know, don't turn the stove up too high, because if you do, then it will burn and not cook on the inside. Just want to thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you don't miss future videos. Thanks. See you next time.